Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily change fonts in Mobirise. So let's start. First, what you want to do is go here, go to my site and edit site styles. You're gonna see it here and you're gonna see fonts here. So you can easily change it. Like if you know that this is a title one, you can just this one here. You can see it's changing. This is title, I think 3. So you can just easily change the fonts here. And you're gonna see like a lot of fonts that you can use. And like really like this because now you can just like bangers and voila, here we get perfect font. So this is pretty cool, I think. So this is how you can change fonts in Mobirise. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. Thank you, have a great day and see you. Goodbye.